Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest products. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Insignia 6 QT pressure cooker, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker. This versatile kitchen marvel has become a staple for many home chefs, and for good reason. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through its features, why it's a game-changer in your kitchen, and what makes it stand out in the world of pressure cookers. Let's start with its functionality. The Instant Pot Duo is a 7-in-1 multi-purpose appliance. It combines a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and even a food warmer. That's 7 devices in one sleek, compact unit. This is perfect for anyone looking to save space in the kitchen without sacrificing functionality. Now, one of the standout features of the Instant Pot Duo is its ability to cook fast or slow. If you're in a rush, the pressure cooker setting allows you to prepare meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods. On the other hand, if you're a fan of slow-cooked meals, the slow cooker option lets you prepare those delicious, tender dishes just like grandma used to make. It's the perfect balance between convenience and quality. The Instant Pot Duo also comes with 13 customizable smart programs. Whether you're cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, or even yogurt, these one-touch programs make it so easy to create a variety of dishes with minimal effort. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you don't have to be a professional chef to get amazing results. Another thing to love about the Instant Pot Duo is its easy cleanup. It features fingerprint-resistant stainless steel sides, and the inner pot, lid, and accessories are all dishwasher safe. This makes post-cooking cleanup a breeze, which we all appreciate after a delicious meal. Safety is always a priority, and the Instant Pot Duo doesn't disappoint. It includes over 10 safety features, including overheat protection and a safe locking lid, so you can cook with peace of mind. Whether you're new to pressure cooking or a seasoned pro, the built-in safety features ensure you can use this device confidently. For families, the Instant Pot Duo is a great option. With a 6-quart capacity, it can cook meals for up to 6 people, making it perfect for families or even for meal prepping. The inner cooking pot is made from food-grade stainless steel with a tri-ply bottom that ensures even cooking, and it's great for sautéing too. Additionally, the Instant Pot Duo comes with the Instant Brands Connect app, offering access to over 800 recipes. Whether you're looking for quick meal ideas or want to try something new, this app has plenty of inspiration to keep your meals fresh and exciting. All in all, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker is an incredibly versatile, fast, and convenient kitchen appliance that makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. If you're looking to simplify your cooking routine without compromising on flavor or quality, this product is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for anyone from beginners to experienced cooks, offering a whole new way to approach meal prep. Thanks for watching this review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques here on Product Critique. Happy cooking, and we'll see you in the next video.